All right, yet another game to play today. Today's game is called 5 in a Row. So the game board is a little bit different than the one that you played a couple days ago. So we're going to roll the two dice right here, the green and the red. We're going to roll those dice. They're going to give us two numbers. We're going to add the two numbers together to get the sum or the total. Okay? And then we have to cover up that total on the game board. Okay? So say we rolled a 1 and a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We find a 2 on the board and we cover that with a yellow dot. Okay? So I have my handy dandy whiteboard and my dry erase, but you could have a pencil and paper because I'm going to challenge you a little bit. Think a little bit harder when you're playing these games. Okay? So, roll. Ooh, I got a 5. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget it. And you'll maybe see what I'm doing. So, 5 and 4. I have to add these two numbers together. What do I need to put in between these numbers to add them together? A plus sign. And then if I need to get the total or the sum of this number, what do I need to put? An equal sign. And then I can figure out the number. So 5 and 4. Okay, how can we do that? How can we figure that out? You can use your cubes, you can use your fingers, you can count up. You've got different strategies to use to figure out what 5 plus 4 is. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is 9. How do I figure that out? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to count up using my fingers, okay? So I got 9. I'm going to cover up. Ooh, I've got to get 5 in a row. I can go across, down, diagonally. I'm going to put it right here. Okay? So now I got to roll my two dice again. So I'm going to erase the 9, erase the 4, erase the 5. I can keep my plus sign and my equal sign. So green first is a 1. Then I roll the red. That's a 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So, ooh, looky, I can go across right here. Remember, I can only put one yellow dot on the board at a time, okay? Just because I rolled a 1 or a 6, I don't get to cover up a 1 or a 6. I only get to cover up the total or the sum of my two numbers added together, okay? So let's erase that, erase this, and erase this. Let's roll one more time. 4, I write it down, and 5. 4 and 5. Uh-oh, I had this equation earlier. 4 and 5 is 9. So let's find a 9. I don't have any 9s on that row. Do I have any 9s over here? Nope. Here. Oh, I just have one more 9 right there. Okay. Now, if you get done with that board, you can clear it. And there's another game board you can play with and another game board. So 3 different game boards you can keep playing with, okay? So if you love this game, keep playing. Keep writing down the equations and solving, okay? So that's our game for today, 5 in a row. If you'd like, when you're playing these games, send a picture. I love it. I'm already getting pictures from earlier this week. So keep it up. You guys are doing awesome. Again, I wish we were in the classroom doing this together. It's really boring doing it by myself. See you guys.